Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you all what I received in my premium box for August 21. For some reason I have not received my base box, and I've been hanging on to this box for over a week now. It came like super early. I was not expecting this box to come early, but I do want to share with you all the items that I received in this box. So we're going to go through the card. I received 6 items that are listed on the back of this card. And this month's theme is Go All Out, which is this like beachy type theme. And this is what the card looks like this month. So we're going to go ahead and dive into the products I received. So for starters, I received the Wish for Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. And I chose this product this month. I think we only were able to select one product, and this is the product that I've chosen because I love moisturizers as much as I love makeup. I like my skin to be really hydrated and moisturize really well when applying makeup. So I did pick this moisturizer, and it looks like glitter. I can't apply it because I already have a full face of makeup. So let's apply it on the back of the hand. It's like a shimmer type. I don't know if you can see it, but it's real smooth. I do like the texture of it. And it says that it's a luxuriously textured jelly meets balm moisturizer infused with honey to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours and soothe your skin. And it says that the addition of turmeric root extract helps minimize the appearance of hyperpigmentation and unevenness, while niacinamide brightens and visibly reduces the appearance of pores, which I would definitely be interested in, especially with the hyperpigmentation that I have on my skin when I don't have any foundation. And it says the soothing lather scent creates a relaxing and calming moment to enhance your self-care routine. Now this bottle jar retails for $49. Again, I've never heard this brand before, but it smells really good. It smells really good. Let's take a little bit more. It's on a thick consistency side as well. So I don't know if you can see that kind of shimmer in it, but it's a nice formula. So I can't wait to apply it on my face and see how it works. The second item I have is the Vesca Beauty Moonlit Dream Cream eyeshadow, and it says it's time to sparkle into the night with Moonlit Dream Cream shadow. This is an ultra creamy gel shadow that delivers a budge-proof, lustrous sheen for the lids, and I love a shimmer, so I'm excited about this one. And by the way, I've never heard of this brand Vesca before until I received it in this box. But also it says to achieve a shimmering moonlit glow, sweep a small amount across your lids with your fingertips, building up to the desired intensity with each layer, and use a smudger brush to blend into other shadows, or amplify color at the lash line. And this retails for $28. Let's try this baby out, because my face is already done. It's not going to hurt. So let's put a dab of it here. And I have a dab of it on the back of my hand, not my finger. I'm trying to find my smudger brush. Okay, here it is. So we're going to use this little flat brush, and it's by BS Mall. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. Let's see what it's going to look like if I apply it on my lower lash line. So I apply a little bit here. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's more like glitter. Like glitter. Let's apply. I think I need a smaller brush. Good thing I'm not going anywhere else, because it is sticking as I apply it. It's not moving like at all. It may work for a shadow. It's like not budging. Well, let's kind of, this is what it looks like. If you can see it, yeah. It's like a shimmer type glittery shade. And it dries super fast. So be careful when you're using this product because it dries like super fast. But okay, I'm looking forward to using it and see how it performs on like top of matte shadows or even other glimmer, shimmer shadows or whatever. So I'm gonna have to test this out and see how it goes. The next item I have is the Vore Hair Care Rainforest Mist, which is this mist here. I've never heard of this brand either, but it says it's a flawless finish hair spray. And it says discover the magic in this mist with optimal light to medium hold and non-residuous superfine style. It casts on aromatic spell that doubles as a hair perfume to boot. A non-aerosol formula that makes traditional hairsprays tremble. All right then. You can use after hot tools and let your hair's natural movement come alive because it's time for you to your mane to go against the grain. This retails for $26. Again, I've never heard of this brand before, so let's spray it and see. It smells good. It smells like coconut or something. Is coconut in here? I don't know, but it smells like coconut. Coconut and perfume. Well, let's see. Should I spray it on my hair? Ooh, I like the mister. I think it's more of a, let's see. It is kind of sticky, so it is a hairspray. I think, like they said, kind of a light hairspray, but I do believe it's a hairspray because my arm is like super sticky. So I know it's something in there in that product that's hairspray formula, but it does smell good. It does smell good. The next item I received is the Luxie Plus Willow Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager, which is this baby, and it was in this box here. This the box it came in, and I do need to get a AA battery before I can actually use it. It untwists here, and the battery, if I can get it off, goes here. I do not have any batteries right now, but it says that this, the Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrator Roller will help you achieve that post-facial glow without leaving the house. And it says the vibrating tool helps to contour and tone the skin, while the cooling rose quartz sculpts the face and promotes blood circulation. It says use your favorite serum or moisturizer to maximize results of your skin routine. And this retails for $79.99. I'm definitely looking forward to this because I think this piece is what vibrates. And I think what they're saying is like if you use a moisturizer on your face, you can kind of moisturize and use this massager anywhere on your face. And I was reading on the box when I opened it. It said something about depuff eyes and stuff like that. So yeah, it does say it increases blood circulation to achieve the relaxation of facial muscles, face lifting, skin tightening in the skin. Revitalization will be the ultimate result. So I'm definitely looking forward to this. Definitely looking forward to this as a massager for my face, because it says it removes eye pouches, rejuvenates skin cells, and relaxes facial muscles. So this, I'm definitely looking forward. I'm going to go purchase me some AA battery so I can use it. And it does say it's water resistant, by the way. Now, my next item I received is the Zoeva Powerful Lip Twist. And it says, hug your lips with high precision and a powerful charge of pigments. Shape and shade your lips with the smooth, creamy, this is the shade I have, with the smooth, creamy, comfort, and pure color. Powerful lip twist is boosted with raspberry stem cells, with a strong moisturizing activity. And then it says the thin film finish is extremely adherent, never dry, and always comfortable. And this retails for $14. I don't have any Zoeva lip products in my collection, so this is a good thing that I received this. And I have the shade Phoebe. And it's like a nude pencil. I won't put it on my lips right now because I have on my gloss. It's real creamy though. That's the shade there. It's real creamy. So I'm looking forward to this. I'm going to leave this out on my vanity along with the Vesca eyeshadow. These two I'm definitely going to leave out on my vanity. And the massager, I'm going to definitely go get some batteries so I can use it with my moisturizer. And the last item I received in my box are the Laroos Beauty Face Disc, which are these 3 items here. And it says that you wipe away your day with this alternative eco-friendly solution to disposable makeup wipes and cotton pads. It contributes towards a safe and sustainable planet due to its reusability and washability. The organic bamboo cotton has soft, plush fibers that will gently remove impurities. Its versatility means it can be used for different types of applications. These retail for $24. Now, I was in TJ Maxx the other day and I almost picked some of these up because I love my makeup removing towels that I bought off Amazon. But I'm definitely going to try these. They're different paddings, I guess for different things, but we'll see how I make use of them. Definitely see. So I'm excited to try these. I may use one for maybe like when I'm washing my face with different cleansers, one to remove my eye makeup. The softest one definitely going to be the one to remove facial makeup, especially eye makeup, because I'd like for something soft to be around my eye area. So definitely looking forward to that. So that is all I received in my premium Boxycharm for the month of August. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was kind of a box that was like, to me, in my opinion, you really can't do a full try on with it. Like I said, I'm definitely going to put these two together in a video with the moisturizer. I can definitely do that. But I'm looking forward to this. The hairspray was like, to me, random. And these definitely can come in handy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed doing my unboxings. And like I said, I have not received, my hair is just doing what it want to do right now. I have not received my base box. But as soon as I receive it, I'll be sure to share with you guys. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And if you have not done so already, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.